Okay, Mr. McIntosh, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, I think she needs to pay child support.
Okay, just straight like
Yeah,
that.
straight. I want to get straight to the point. I just want nothing to do with it. I just want child support.
All right. Do you really know her? You just said like you don't want nothing to do with, like you just met her yesterday.
Well, I thought I did.
Okay, tell me about it.
Well, it started off like every other fairy tale, you know. Everything was hot, bad, everything cooking good loving. So we got a kid.
Okay.
We say, okay, so when the kid arrived, that kind of changed. You know, Daddy got put on the back burner.
It began like a dream, love, laughter, and a child they both once adored. But today, that dream is gone. Mr. McIntosh walks into court demanding support. But when the judge asks about the child's mother, he hesitates. A long pause fills the room. Something isn't right. This isn't just a child support case. It's a story of a bond that fell apart. And what's revealed next will turn this quiet courtroom into chaos.
And, you know, sometimes I'm not understanding. I say, what happened to Dad? You know, you let the kid go to sleep or something. Don't just forget about me. So it was all about, you know, I got the baby. No, put the baby to bed.
Well, you wanted to tend to the baby, right?
Yeah, what else I'm gonna do?
Well, not that much. Don't just forget about me.
I mean, it's
You know,
forgot
you
about
don't help
Daddy.
around the house. You know, it's just
It's
all
a
about the
child,
baby. It's
though.
just all about the baby.
The baby don't
What
know
happened to
better.
baby?
Yeah, but you can't forget about Daddy.
Exactly.
Forgot
What's the
about
baby
Daddy.
gonna do? You an adult.
See, forget about it. See what I'm talking about?
It's a child.
Cannot forget about Dad. And once that's a baby. That baby sleep 8 hours a day.
No. Still gotta feed the baby. I gotta make sure the baby's clothes and everything. There's a lot of work to put into taking care of a kid.
There really
You an
is.
adult.
Tension fills the courtroom as Mr. McIntosh speaks, not just to the judge, but to the woman he once loved. He says he feels invisible, forgotten ever since the baby was born. But she's not ignoring him. She's drowning in sleepless nights, bottles, and endless worry. Two people, both hurting, both desperate to be understood. Yet in all this noise, neither one is truly listening. And soon, the cracks in their story will split wide open.
So you know how to take care of
I'm
yourself.
helping. She's not doing nothing by herself. I am also helping. So once I always give her a break, so I can get some daddy time, some us time, get that back. You know, it was great at first, but it just
You say at first, how long were y'all together?
6 years.
That's a long time to be together.
Yeah. But
Okay.
then the baby just popped up and I'm like, you know, she forgot about me. And so I try to, you know, let me take care of the baby. Let me let you rest so you can start back paying attention to me.
All right.
And that don't seem
Do y'all
like-
still live together?
That don't, no. That don't seem
Not anymore.
All right.
not anymore.
6 years together, and now it's all falling apart. Mr. McIntosh remembers the love, the laughter, the partnership they once had. He swears he tried to help, tried to give her moments of peace. But is that really the whole truth? Because when she takes a stand, her story cuts deeper, and it's nothing like his. Stay tuned, because her side changes everything.
And how old is the child now? I'm assuming it's not a baby anymore.
I was about 6.
6? Okay.
Yeah, had him right off, right kind of early.
Okay.
And that kind of, I think that kind of threw it off a little bit by us having a kid so early. And it should have waited a little while, but hey, baby wanted to come, so baby's here now. So
the baby wanted to come.
the baby wanted to be here. So like I said, I help out to try to get, you know, give her a break or something. Maybe bring over some wine and cook for her every night. I don't like, you know, but it don't seem to, it's just like, I guess you're gonna do that after, I don't know what you call it, after the baby's here, that's some kind of phase you go through.
Okay.
Where you're not paying attention to daddy.
Postpartum.
Yeah, what you said.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's serious. Postpartum is a serious thing to go through. So of
It
course
is.
it's gonna be a
Nah, not
disconnect.
for 5 years.
The child is 6 now, but the wounds of that first year still linger. Mr. McIntosh admits it all happened too fast, a baby before they were ready. Then he mentions postpartum, not realizing the weight of that word. This isn't just a fight over child support anymore. It's about love, exhaustion, and the mental toll of parenting. And next, the mother finally speaks, and she's not holding back.
How you gonna tell a woman that postpartum is something that's terrible to go through? How you never been through it? So how do you know?
Yeah, I'm waiting on that explanation too.
Please tell
Well,
me.
I don't know. I don't know. But all I know is I help out to try to, you know, help out with the baby to try to understand what you're going through. That's why
It's
I try.
mental
That's why I take.
issues.
That's why I
That's
try
Can
what
we
to.
stop referring to this 6-year-old as a baby?
It's my
I try
child.
to take care of our child.
But you need to be able to tend to me and the child and try to understand where I'm coming from, because depression is a mental thing. You know, there's medication. Some people have suicidal thoughts. You don't even know you never even tried to ask me what I was going through or how I even felt.
She makes a good point.
Now it's her turn to speak, and she doesn't hold back. You never once asked how I felt, she says, her voice trembling but strong. She opens up about the pain behind her silence, the weight of postpartum depression, the loneliness, the feeling of being unseen. The courtroom falls quiet. Even the judge leans in. What comes next isn't just emotional, it's explosive. A custody revelation is about to change everything.
Okay.
So it takes a lot. It takes a lot for you to understand where I'm coming from. You can't just assume, okay, I'm not just trying to tend to you. I have to tend to my mental health and my child. That takes a lot of work.
But I can't read your mind. I don't know.
But you never tried to even talk to or try to understand me from that point.
Did the two of you come here to waste my time?
I mean, he's the one that called it in here. I'm just here. I mean, he obviously wanted me to do something.
Obviously, and I'm just trying to get to what that something
both of our
is.
times.
I want full custody and I want child support.
Okay.
I'm gonna get full
The
custody,
child
I'll
live with
take
you?
care of it.
It's kind of between, right about now.
The tension in the courtroom is about to break. She's not begging for money, she's asking for understanding. I'm not just a mother, she says softly. I'm someone trying to heal. He fires back, I can't read your mind. The judge's patience wears thin. Then, out of nowhere, he drops the bombshell. He's not here for sympathy, he's here for full custody and child support. The room freezes, and what's revealed next about her recent struggles will change everything.
But I think I could take care of him better since she can't keep a
I've been
job.
with the kid longer, so I mean, I'm not working right now, so I'm at home with the kid all the time.
So if she not working, she behind bars.
Wait a minute. Behind bar.
Yeah,
wait a minute. Mr. McIntosh, let me move over here to her so I can hear her side of the story. What is this behind bars?
Well, because of how he's been feeling, okay, he's been feeling neglected because I was having issues with depression and taking care of my kids. So he decided to step out. So, you know, me and my girl did some digging and I found out he stepped out on me. So you know what? I had to find out where the girl went, where she worked at.
Then the truth lands like a gavel strike. She's been behind bars and is using it to strengthen his custody fight. But when she finally tells the court what really happened, the room falls silent. This wasn't about neglect. It was about heartbreak, betrayal, and a moment she'll never forget. She discovered another woman, and what she did next left everyone stunned.
So you went and found his new girlfriend?
I whipped her butt.
He did not
sure
have to jump on her.
While she was at work?
I did. Because he's not about to play me after all this stuff I've been doing with his kid. He's not about to do that.
That's a little ratchet.
Yeah,
no
so
reason.
I did. I did.
There's no reason.
There's nothing else
It was
I
uncalled
can do.
for.
I did it.
So you have a case pending on you?
I do. Unfortunately, I do. But you don't cheat on me after all this work I've been putting in taking care of your child. You gonna cheat on me? No, it's not gonna fly.
Driven by heartbreak and the storm of postpartum emotion, she admits it. She confronted the other woman. It wasn't her proudest moment, but after everything she gave up, she refused to be disrespected and replaced. The courtroom goes silent, the weight of her confession hanging heavy in the air. But this story isn't over yet. What happened after her arrest will shock everyone.
Well, what happened to the depression? What happened to all that? You
Oh, it's in there. That's one of the side
You gonna fight
effects.
my new
though.
girlfriend.
That's one of the side
What's the baby
effects.
while you
though.
fighting?
That's one of the side effects.
That's a great
though.
question.
Yeah,
What
you
was the
fight
baby
with a
while
baby.
you were fighting?
Because I'm upset, I'm mad, and then you're not even
And y'all
trying
have
to
me
make
saying,
me
baby,
feel
what
better.
was the
What
child
was the
while you
child
were
while you were
fighting?
fighting my girlfriend?
Oh, that was taken care of. My sister was watching the
Your
kid.
sister?
She was.
Was she in jail with you?
No, she was watching the kid, and she bailed me out.
Oh.
She was there for me. You
Her
weren't.
sister bailed her out.
You were there.
Her
She was there
sister
for
was
me.
there.
So I
for
guess
her,
you talk
you
to your
weren't.
sister. You won't talk to me.
Because you don't
talk
even
to your
try
sister,
to.
but you can't talk to
You don't
me.
even try. I tried to talk to you.
The gloves are off. He takes a cruel shot at her depression, and she fires back with raw emotion. Her voice cracks, but her words cut deep. She reveals her sister was the one who stood by her, while he was nowhere to be found. This isn't just a custody battle anymore. It's a fight for dignity and respect. The tension in the courtroom is electric, and just when emotions reach their peak, the judge finally steps in, and the truth begins to surface.
It seems like you guys can't really talk to each other without getting into
Obviously
it.
not, because you don't even try to listen to
I'll
me.
go back to
No.
my original
Yeah.
question. So who does the child stay with majority of the
Me.
time?
He says to me, John.
Okay, so you said that the baby was better off with you because she has a assault case.
She got a soul case.
But she didn't
Can't
do it in
keep a
front of
job.
the-
She can't keep a job.
How
Okay,
can I
what do
keep
you
a
do
job
for a
when I'm taking
living?
care of the kids?
I'm in the entertainment business.
What does that mean?
I produce
What are you
producing
producing?
I got several artists I'm trying to produce right now in the music business, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's late night.
The judge's patience is wearing thin. Voices rise, fingers point, blame fills the room. But beneath all the chaos, the truth is simple. The child lives with her. He calls her unfit, but when the judge asks about his own job, the courtroom shifts. He's an entertainment producer, a life of travel, parties, and late nights. Is that stability or just distraction? The tension builds as the money talk begins, and the final judgment looms.
Have they already produced some music?
That's kind of iffy right now, but I think they're gonna be okay.
Yeah, what kind of money are you making?
I'm making about 85,000.
Okay, all right. And you said you're unemployed right now.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to your job?
I had to quit because I was taking care of the kid full time.
Okay, so the child lives with her, okay? Why didn't you file anything for today for child support?
I wasn't thinking about it. I didn't want to be malicious towards him or anything, so I didn't feel a need I had to. So that's just where I stand on that.
Okay. Is your sister also helping you with that criminal case?
She is.
Okay.
And she also helps me watch the kid if I'm needing to do anything, like any grocery shopping or anything. She helps me.
He claims an income of $85,000, yet insists he's unemployed. Says he left work to care for their child. But the math, it just doesn't add up. She never asked for support, not out of spite, but survival. Still, the courtroom doesn't deal in emotion, only evidence. And when the numbers hit the table, the truth rewrites the entire story. Stay tuned. The final ruling is a game changer.
Well, sir, I'm not going to grant your request for child support today.
I'm not manipulating women. You got one girlfriend and you jumped on her.
You are. No, there's
You tell the
plenty
judge
more.
about your sister,
There's
she going
plenty
back to
more.
jail.
It's plenty more.
Oh,
How
okay.
you know?
Well, guess what? I don't have
sources.
time to hear about all of these little rendezvous today. I have other things to do, and you obviously came here to waste my time. So I'm going to deny your relief, like I said, and dismiss your case because it's obvious that the child stays with mom primarily. You didn't dispute it when she said it. Therefore, I don't have a choice but to dismiss it.
And just like that, the judge drops the hammer. Denied. Dismissed. The case collapses as Mr. McIntosh's story unravels. He's no victim, just a man trying to work the system. For now, the child stays with the mother, and support remains off the table. But this battle isn't over. The final chapter brings emotion, truth, and a decision no one saw coming. Stay tuned for the powerful conclusion.
Mom, on the other hand, if she comes back in here and says she wants child support because had she filed something today, you would actually be placed on child support today.
Me?
But yes, you at that $80,000 to $85,000 range because the child lives with her. She's telling the truth, isn't she?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm pretty sure she's telling the truth about the other stuff too. But
No,
that's
not
none of my
all.
business.
No.
So, is there anything further today, Mr. McIntosh?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything further, ma'am?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
The final verdict lands like a thunderclap. Had she filed first, the story might be different. He'd be paying child support today. With an income near $8,000 to $5,000, the numbers were never in his favor. But she led with compassion, not calculation. Still, the judge saw through everything. The excuses, the manipulation, the act. In the end, her truth stood stronger than his pride. This wasn't just a case, it was a testament to resilience, heartbreak, and a mother's strength. If this story moved you, hit like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more real culture moments.